Now we would like to present you a new member in our family of thermal conductivity testers, thus broadening our product portfolio for thermophysical properties, and always have the right solution for your application. We introduce our first guarded heat flow meter for highly accurate determination of thermal resistance for medium conductive samples in the temperature range from -10 degrees up to 300 degrees Celsius. Please together let us welcome the TCT 716. Conventional HFMs and guarded hot plates mainly address insulators, thus low conductive materials, on big samples. On the other hand, the LFA technique measures thermal diffusivity, but not directly thermal conductivity, on small samples. So here the GHFM completes the family and closes the gap by directly measuring the thermal conductivity for medium conductive samples. Thermal resistance and thermal conductivity are important indicators whether a material is an insulator or a good conductor of heat. These parameters are therefore decisive for the design of thermal management systems to, for example, prevent overheating or to improve energy efficiency. Let me give you some examples. In plastic injection molding, for instance, materials with an inappropriate thermal conductivity can warp, crack, or even melt and thus lose the mechanical properties. Another example is the laser cutting process, where materials with too low thermal resistances can lead to overheating in the remaining sample and result in failure. The GHFM not only allows to study polymers, but a wide range of other materials, including ceramics, glass, and concrete, in applications like electronics, automotive and aerospace systems, energy systems, and construction industry. The specimen is placed between two plates, controlled at different temperatures, and measured with multiple RTD sensors mounted in the plates. The heat flow, which is caused by the temperature gradient, is measured by heat flux sensors, also in the plates, and calibrated by measuring a reference material with known thermal conductivity. However, due to the temperature gradient, which also exists between the sample and the surrounding environment, lateral heat loss would occur and must be prevented. So herefore an insulating layer guards the furnace and guarantees you highly accurate and repeatable results. The TCT is designed to be user-friendly, time-saving and cost-effective. While money becomes less valuable and worldly things are transient, your time remains the most precious good. So therefore our TCT 716 is equipped with two sample stacks to measure simultaneously two samples at a time. While competitive designs require an exchange of the modules to cover the entire temperature range, our TCT 716 is in no need of such time-consuming procedure. The patented CO2 cooling eliminates the need of any expensive chiller unit. Simply connect a standard cylinder bottle with CO2 to your TCT 716. The liquid CO2 depressurizes to form solid dry ice in your device, and the subsequent sublimation takes away the heat from your system and thus allows you to cool the sample. The optimal stack dimensions allow you to measure smaller samples compared to conventional HFM, but bigger samples than with the LFA, allowing you to investigate homogeneous but also inhomogeneous samples. The user-friendly software with automatic load control makes calibration and sample measurement an easy task for you. So why should you choose the TCT 716? Because we have a robust but easy to use, time-saving and cost-effective solution for a direct measurement of thermal resistance for medium conductive samples. In particular, we have the wide temperature range from -10 up to 300 degrees Celsius with a patented and cost-effective cooling system. We guarantee high accurate and repeatable results by the guarded furnace. We have a unique design with two sample stacks to simultaneously measure two samples at a time. The optimal stack dimensions allow to measure both homogeneous and inhomogeneous samples. And we have a very user-friendly software for automatic load control. So we have a handful of reasons for you to choose the TCT 716.